Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of Python coding, PEP 8 line length guidelines. How can limiting the length of your lines make your code more readable and maintainable? Let's find out. First, let's talk about why line length matters. Have you ever tried to read a paragraph that just went on and on without a break? It's exhausting, right? The same applies to code. Keeping lines short enhances readability. Shorter lines are easier to read and understand, especially when you revisit your code after some time. Think about it. How often do you work on different screens? From large monitors to smaller laptop screens, shorter lines fit well on various screen sizes, reducing the need for horizontal scrolling. Plus, when comparing code changes side by side, shorter lines make it so much easier. And let's not forget collaboration and code reviews. Consistent line length makes it easier for team members to review and collaborate on your code. Ever had to review someone else's code that was all over the place? Not fun. So what does PEP 8 say about line length? PEP 8 recommends limiting all lines to a maximum of 79 characters. Why 79? It's a legacy from old terminals that had 80 character width. But even today, this guideline ensures your code is easy to read and fits well within typical editors without horizontal scrolling. Here's the exact line from PEP 8. Limit all lines to a maximum of 79 characters. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about breaking long lines. One effective method is using parentheses. This not only keeps your lines short, but also enhances readability. Check this out. And next is the same code with improper line length. This line is too long, making it harder to read and maintain. See the difference? Next up, breaking long function definitions. Have you ever seen a function definition that stretches across the screen? Not ideal. Here's how to do it right. Here, the function definition and return statement are broken into multiple lines, making it much more readable. And below is the same example with improper line length. This is too long and cluttered. Imagine trying to debug this. Sometimes parentheses aren't suitable. In those cases, use backslashes to continue a line. Let me show you how. This example shows how backslashes can help break a long line. It works same as the parentheses and help adhering to the PEP 8 guidelines. Conditional statements can also get pretty long. Breaking them up makes them clearer and easier to manage. Check this example. And next is the improper line length example. Way too long, right? Breaking it up makes a huge difference. Even list comprehensions can get lengthy. Breaking them into multiple lines can make them more readable. Let's take a look. This list comprehension is broken into 2 lines, making it clearer and easy to read. Let's wrap up with some tips and best practices for maintaining readable code. Maintain a consistent style. Use consistent indentation and line breaking techniques throughout your code base. It keeps your code looking clean and professional. Use linters. Employ tools like Flake 8 or Pylint to enforce PEP 8 guidelines and catch line length issues. These tools can save you a lot of time. Use an editor with line length indicators. Choose an editor that provides a ruler or line length indicator to help you stay within the 79 character limit. It's a simple but effective tool. Refactor long lines. When lines are too long, consider refactoring your code into smaller functions or variables to improve readability. It might seem like extra work, but it pays off. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.